Happy morning, children. I hope all are safe at home. Now we can move to the English session with chapter 11. The world's best warrior. The world's best warrior. Written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Now we can see something about the author. He was born in Madrid, Spain in 1973. His works have found place in numerous magazines, textbooks, etc. He have also narrated programs on radio all over the world. His famous works are Jungle Animals, Halloween Stories. Now let me tell you something about the story. This story tells us about the most important weapons needed for war. Weapons, the equipments that we use for a war. Here, the main character of the story is Robin. Who is the main character? Robin, a brave young man. This story makes clear about the three main weapons that help us win the battle in life. And also, he had two strong ambitions. Let's see what are they and will he achieve it? Is Robin capable of achieving it? Now let's move to the lesson. Now we can start the chapter. Robin was a brave young man, an expert swordsman, and he dreamed of becoming the best fighter in the world. Who was Robin? He was a brave young man as well as he was an expert swordsman. Swordsman means a person skilled in fighting with a sword. So he was very much expert using sword, and he had a dream in his life, that is to become the best fighter in the world. That was his dream, or we can say his ambition in life. He hoped to become head of the army one day so he could replace the cowardly old general who was currently in charge. So he had one more ambition, that is he would like to become the head of the army. The first ambition or the first aim, he want to become the best fighter in the world. The second one is he would like to become the head of the army. So that what he is saying, if he becomes the head of the army, he will be replaced as the general. So the general who is now old can be replaced. The king liked Robin, but when Robin told him about his ambition, the king looked a bit shocked and said, King was very fond of Robin, but the ambition or the desire which he just placed before King, he did not accept it. Your desire is sincere, but I am afraid it can't happen right now. You still have much to learn. These are the words said by King. As soon as he just gave an idea or his desire, Robin just desired to become the general or the best fighter, King is not accepting. What the king is saying, he just have to learn many things about war. He is young, he is not right enough or he is not capable to become the general now. That means he has to learn yet many things. That was the worst thing that could have happened to Robin. So when Robin heard the words of king, he was just shocked. That is what he is saying, that is the worst thing he could hear. He could not accept the king's words, who became so furious that he stormed out of the palace. When Robin heard the words of the king, what was his reaction is, he became so furious. Furious means extremely angry, and he just moved angrily out of the place. That means he is just moving out of the palace. Determined to learn all there was to know about fighting. So he was just motivated, determined, motivated to learn all that was there to learn about fighting. He went to all kinds of schools and colleges, improving his techniques and his strengths, but without really learning any new secrets. Now, as King said that he is not capable of becoming the general, what he is thinking, he should go to a better school or college to learn more about fighting or to learn more about war. So, he is just joining in different schools and colleges to learn more about war. But he could not learn any new secret about the war. One day, he went to very special school. One day, he is just going to a very special school to learn about fighting or about war. A huge grey fortress on top of a great mountain. So, the special school was placed on a great mountain. Where was the special school placed? On a great mountain. Fortress means fort or castle. He had heard it was the best military school in the world. So, the special school where he had gone was the special military school or the best military school in the world. And only very few students were allowed to train there. Only very few seats were allotted there for the children. So, Robin also thinks that he also should be accommodated in that special school to train or to learn more things about fighting or about war. On his way, he learned that the old general had studied there, and Robin proceeded ever more determined to be accepted into the school. He was just going to the school. On his way to the school, he also came to know about the general, that is the present army general studied in that particular school. So, what Robin is thinking, he also should study there. He also should get his education about war or about fight in that special school. Before entering the fortress, that means to the castle or to the fort, he was made to hand in all his weapons. The person who was there standing as a guard is taking all his weapons. The guard is just saying, you need not take in any weapons inside the school. Without weapons, all the wars are just taught there, or you will be given weapon inside the school. Likewise, he is given some advice, and all the weapons which he had already with him, it is taken away by the guard. And guard is saying one more thing, you won't be needing those anymore. Here, you will be getting better ones, said the guard. The guard is saying, you don't want all those weapons which you have with you, you will be getting better one inside. Robin was impressed, and he handed his weapons to a little grey man who immediately threw them into a pit. So, here Robin was really impressed, that means deeply influenced by the words of guard, and the guard took all the weapons and the infrastructure of the guard is just said here as a little grey man. The little grey man, he is just taking the weapons from Robin and he just threw it out to a pit. Pit means a hole in the ground. He just threw all the weapons to a pit. One of the instructors, a serious old man of few words, accompanied Robin to his room. So, here he is just taken to his room by an old man. The old man was very serious. Robin is going along with the old man to his room. So, I told you in the last paragraph that Robin was accompanied by an old man. Okay. As he left, the old man said, in 100 days, the training will start. So after 100 days, he is going to start the training. 100 days. At first, Robin thought this was a joke. But he soon realized that the man had been serious. 100 days. Robin just was surprised saying this. 100 days after all he is going to start the training. What's it? And Robin at first thought it was a joke. But soon he could see that the old man was very serious. On the 101st day, the first lesson began. That means 100 day completed and 101st day the first lesson started. You have already learnt how to use your main weapon. So what is the main weapon here? Patience is the main weapon. The 101st day the lesson was, the old man is saying you have already learned the main weapon. So what is the main weapon here? Patience, that they have already learnt, began the wise old teacher. Robin could hardly believe it and he let out a chuckle. Chuckle means a soft laugh. So there was no training given at all. After 100 days, old wise teacher is just saying that he has already learnt patience. So listening to all this, Robin just felt like laughing. Everything went off well till he found himself tied hand and foot to a chair. So now training is starting. Okay. Here Robin's hand and foot is just tied to a chair. The chair, a chair standing on top of a small pedestal. Pedestal means an ancestral support base or architectural support base. There is a strong base. We can take it like a podium with a strong base. On top of that there is a chair kept, and in the chair Robin's hand as well as foot is just tied up now. And with dozens of villagers climbing up to try to give him a good whack. Whack means just hitting. Hitting someone is called as whack. So many villagers are just standing on top of that pedestal just to beat or just to hit Robin. He just want to escape from the villagers' beat. He had little time to act and the ropes were tight because his hand as well as foot is tied to a chair using a rope. So now he cannot be pushed out or he cannot be escaped from that place, and all the villagers are also hitting and beating him. Now it's a hectic schedule. He has to be escaped from there. That was the task given there. He had little time to act and the ropes were tight. He couldn't get out of this one. When the villagers climbed on the pedestal, they set to work giving him a good beating. When villagers are just standing on the pedestal, they are just continuously beating Robin. He just want to escape from this task. The very same exercise was repeated for days. For many days, the same exercise was repeated. And Robin knew he would have to try some new tactics. Tactics means some new plans or some new strategies he has to now use in order to escape from the villagers. He tried and failed many times until it dawned on him that the only way to prevent the attack would be to deal with the villagers' anger. So now he is thinking that he can work out some new strategy or some new plan in order to escape from the villagers. That means the villagers are completely angry towards him. So now he is thinking, how can he work out or how can he escape from these villagers? In the following days, he kept talking to them. So what he did, the coming days, the next days, he just started to talk to the villagers very softly until he managed to convince them that he was no threat to them, but rather a friend. He just want to convince. Convince means to make someone agree with our agreement. So he just convinced the villagers that he is not an enemy to them. He is just a friend to them. Likewise, in a smooth way, he just started to talk to the villagers. In the end, he was so persuasive that they gave up their hostility by themselves. Persuasive, capable of convincing. So, now the villagers are convinced. They gave up their unfriendliness. Okay, hostility means unfriendliness by themselves, and such a friendship developed that they offered to avenge Robin by turning on the teacher. It was day 202. By 202, that is 202 days, now Robin has become very friendly with the villagers. How he became friendly with the villagers? He has convinced with them, he talked with them in a smooth way. Likewise, he became very friendly to the villagers, so that the villagers now stopped beating him. So now he could escape from the beat. So now he has here learned one method. That is, first one he has learned already patience. The second one, talking with using words, how to use words with the public. These are the two things already now he has learned here. As I told you in the last paragraph, already his training for 202 days is over. Okay, so the old teacher is just saying him, you already control the most powerful weapon, that is the weapon of words. So what was the most powerful weapon? Weapon of words. That which you couldn't achieve with strength or sword, you managed with your tongue, said the old man. These are the words said by old man, that is the old wise teacher. Now he has won two of his weapons. One is patience, the other one is words. Now Robin agreed and prepared to continue his training. Now Robin is just going to continue his training. Now this is the most important part. Here you will face the other students. That is, said the teacher, he accompanied Robin to where 7 other warriors were waiting. Here Robin should fight with the other 7 warriors. Is it clear? This is the third task which is given to him. First one, he already overcame patience. The second one is weapon of words he has overcome. The third one is he should fight with the other 7 warriors or the other 7 fighters. Every one of them looked strong, brave and fierce. That means violent or extreme. So here all the other 7 was very strong, brave and fierce. Not only that, but in each one of you could detect hints of the wisdom gained in the first 2 lessons. So the first 2 lessons, what they have detected or what they have discovered already can be seen in them. Here you will fight, every man for himself. Each man should fight for himself. The winner will be the last man standing. So totally how many men are just there waiting to fight with Robin? 7. So who will be the winner? The last man standing, the one who is left alone will be the winner, said the teacher. That was the third task given. Here there is a question given. Underline the word in the above paragraph which mean the opposite of the word gentle. What's the opposite for gentle or antonym for gentle? The opposite for gentle is strong, or you can say fierce, all these words. And so every morning the 7 warriors would fight out. Okay, so now every morning, each day they are practicing of fighting with each other. Each one disarmed, each one wise, and they called for the group of villagers. So, there is no weapons given, no disarmed, that means taken away the weapons. They are not given any weapon. Each one should use their own wisdom. Okay, so they are just calling group of villagers, and the warriors set about trying to influence the villagers against their opponents using only words and patience. Here villagers are also there. They have to get the support of the villagers and also be against the opponent party, that means fight against the opponent party as well as get the support of the villagers only using two weapons. The two weapons, what are the two weapons already they have learned? One is patience, the other one is words. Using these two words, the 7 warriors should fight with each other and the final one standing alone will be the winner. That was the task. Each one devised or planned tricks to attack the other. Devised means planned. When they least expected it and without so much as aiming a blow. Blow means a hit themselves. They succeeded in directing a ferocious battle. So, each one is just planning their own tricks, okay, without expecting any ideas from others. Just so much as aiming a blow themselves. They are not supposed to hit very hard. Likewise, that was the task which was given. Each one is succeeding in directing a ferocious battle, very violent, energetic battle. However, as the days passed, Robin realized that both his own strength and that of his villagers were weakening. So now here Robin is learning his own power or his power of weapons is now not here used at all. He is not supposed to use that for the fights and he is not getting the support of the villagers. That means he is not accompanied by the villagers. Villagers were weakening, not supporting. So he changed his tactics. That means he is just changing his plans. His strength he cannot use. He is not getting the support of the villagers. Now he is just thinking, Robin is thinking that he should change his plan and now he is going to change his plan. We can see in the next paragraph how he is going to change his plan. In the last paragraph we have seen that Robin is just planning to change his attitude or change his plan. So, we will see how he is going to change his plan. Using his gift of the gab. Gab means to talk continuously. So, he has to talk continuously. Robin gave up the fight and he proposed using his villagers to help the others recover. So, now what is he doing? He is just getting the support of the villagers to recover others. That means the other fighters or other warriors. His opponents were grateful to have one less enemy. So, when we get the support, we are getting only one less enemy as well as the welcome offer of help. The welcome offer of help or the helping tendency is also here welcomed. And they intensified their fighting. Intensified, increased in strength. So, they are just increasing their fighting capacity. That means the villagers are just supporting the warriors or Robin. Meanwhile, more and more villagers began to join Robin's group until finally one of the 7 named Thunder. So, a warrior's name only is named here as Thunder. Okay, managed to triumph over the others. So, finally here they are saying a person named Thunder is just getting victory over others. Likewise, it is said only. We will see whether thunder is getting victory over others or not. Now, the villagers just started to support Robin because Robin is just getting the support of villagers and villagers became Robin's friend. At Thunder's side, there now remained only a few villagers. Now, to Thunder's side, that is one warrior. To his side, only few villagers were supported. When Thunder had finished the fights and seemed victorious, the teacher stepped in saying, Thunder's fighting part is over. He thinks that seemed that he got victory or he got triumph. But now we can see the words of the teacher. What is the teacher saying? No, only one can still remain standing. So, at the beginning there was a condition, the one who is remaining last becomes the winner. So, the same words is repeated by the teacher. Only one can still remain standing. That is, the last one only gets the victory. Thunder sent Robin a threatening look. That means Robin also here in a standing position only to fight. Thunder is just looking, just threatening look, just staring at Robin. Now Robin is just stepping into fight. Robin stepped forward and said, "You really want to fight?" These are the words of Robin. Robin is just saying, "You really want to fight? Can't you see there are 50 times more of us?" 50 times more of us means so many villagers are been standing there. These men gave up everything for me. That means those villagers, they have given up. They have become friendly to me. I have let them live freely and in peace. That means Robin has just left the villagers to live freely and in a peaceful manner. You have no choice. On hearing this, the remaining villagers left at Thunder's side and moved over and joined Robin. So, listening to the words of Robin, the villagers just left Thunder's support and just started to join Robin. So, finally, he had won the match. The old man then entered. So, here who is the old man? Already we have seen old wise teacher. He is only here just coming, grinning with a smile from year to year. Of all the great weapons, peace is my favorite. These are the words said by the old wise teacher. What was the great weapon? Peace was his favorite weapon. Sooner or later, everyone joins the side of peace, he said. Robin smiled. Truly, in that school, he had learned to wield much more powerful weapons than those he had handed in at the gate. So, he just left all his weapons outside the gate. But without even weapon inside the school, he has learned more powerful things. That means he has become more powerful and he learned how to fight against other warriors or against the opponent. Days later, Robin said his goodbyes, giving thanks to the old man. Now it's time for Robin to leave from the school. Now he is going to leave the school. So he is just finally saying goodbyes to whom and giving thanks to this old wise teacher. He returned to the palace, prepared to ask for forgiveness from the king for his imprudence. Imprudence means rashness or not wise. That means he thought he had all the power or he thought he was the best one to become the general of the army. So that was a foolish talk. So now Robin is thinking that he should ask forgiveness to the king after going to the palace. When the king saw him approaching humbly, so after coming from the school, his attitude you can see has become more humble. With neither shield nor weapon, he gave Robin a wise and knowing smile and said. So what is here said? King just at the first sight has seen that Robin has become more humble in his attitude. Even without, there is no weapon, there is no shield. Only his humbleness made the king to support him. Robin, a wise and knowing, smiled and asked, "What's new, General?" So why is the last sentence said here as "What's new, General?" That means the king is here now appointing Robin as the general of the army. Now Robin has learned the 3 weapons, or using the 3 weapons he has learned how to fight. The first one is patience, second one is words, and the third one is peace. Using all this, he has become the general of the army. King finally appointed him as the general of the army. In the story, it's very clear that Robin used 3 main weapons to get victory in any type of battle in his life. So what are the 3 weapons that he used? Patience, words and peace. In that 3 weapons, which plays a vital role? Peace. So the message of the lesson tells likewise, peace wins over violence. Peace wins over violence.